friends, I hope you're doing well, and please pardon my absence of interactions. Today, I will try to help with our new arrival, as much as I can. So, we have adopted a new robot friend, Emo, pet, and I didn't want to think of this little guy as a pet, but just wanted to think of him as a little robot with funny personality. Emo is an artificial intelligence desktop pet with funny personalities and ideas. We will unbox him now and see what can he do.
Okay, and here we have a package of the Emo pet from Living AI, and on one side contain the features that came with Emo, and on the other side is Emo facial expression throughout the interactions, and then the back has extra information about Emo pet, and the box looked pretty nice, and then we're gonna see what we have here next. Alright, and here we're gonna go ahead and take a look what in the box. The first thing I want to take a look at here is the wireless skateboard charger. It has a nice weight on it. You can use it also for your cell phone, that compatible with wireless charging. And then the next thing we will take a look at here is the power cable. This is gonna be used to plug into your wireless charger. And next thing here, gonna look at the booklet. Little booklet here is 7 days to build a friendship with Emo. It's a nice little booklet to reference to when you interact with Emo. And the most important part here we have is the Emo pet. Look like the body well designed and is well made, and I like the color combination of the headphone. And look pretty nice there. So now we have Emo pet, the wireless skateboard charger, and then the power cable and a little booklet there, or inside the box. So in addition of my Emo pet, I also got him a quirky outfit. And then in the package, it also came with the smart light or smart plug. It's nice for like a night light. We will try this later when we get a chance. And the next thing here is the neon stickers. You can use these stickers on Emo body. Before we can power on Emo, we're gonna go ahead and plug in the power cable into the wireless charging skateboard. And then you're gonna see a flashing light there. That means that you plugged it in correctly, and it's working as expected. And now we're gonna go ahead and put Emo on the skateboard so that he can power up. And before you do that, you have to make sure that his left foot is aligned, within the circle area. That's the charging area. So it had to be on his left foot, So make sure that his left foot is stay within the circle area of the skateboard there. So now you're gonna see a little light there, a little light to the left of the skateboard. That means that it's charging correctly. Now if you see like a flashing light there, you're gonna have to remove Emo and then adjust his left foot to make sure that he's charging up correctly. So now Emo is power up and he ready for the command. Hey Emo, can you dance?
Fancy seeing you here.
Emo, let's play rock, paper, scissors.
Okay, let's play round 1. Rock, paper, scissors. You lose. Round 2. Rock, paper, scissors.
Cheated.
You win.
Sorry.
Round 3. Rock, paper, scissors.
Oh, no.
I win. Yay! Winner is Emo!
Thank you for watching. We hope you enjoyed this video. See you next time.